Hello, Mary Ann. I wanted to let you know that I love you so much, and I'm so excited that even though we're not going to be able to do a traditional birthday celebration for you, that, well, by the time you see this video, we will have done our little drive-by to your home. Thanks in great part to your hubby, who helped me to orchestrate this. But I wanted to wish you the happiest of birthdays and thank you for being in my life and in our community. And thank you for the strength, the ferocity of love that you bring, your brilliant mind, your care for everyone in our community, including me personally. So we whipped up this little video and a few words in the video for you just to help you to know how much you are beloved. Check it out.
Happy birthday, Mary Ann. It's a great day in the neighborhood and just love you so much. Have a great day, and it's time to get this show on the road.
To meet. We have this weekly group of CPE that we're part of. And I've often thought to myself, I'm not as verbal as I usually in a group, like I'm just constantly talking. And I've really found that with the work that we're doing, and I think it's the meditation too, that I have learned that I can really just be with people and I don't have to talk. I don't have to share words, but I can just feel. And when I do that, it's interesting because I always thought before, if I just tell them everything about myself and all my problems, that's going to make us be closer. But what I'm learning is that when I am quiet and just being with those people, sometimes listening, sometimes just being with them, that I really am learning to appreciate life more.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, Mary Ann. Happy birthday to you and many more.
Congratulations on another trip around the sun, Mary Ann. Happy birthday. Woohoo!
Mary Ann,
I'm taking off my mask to wish you the happiest of birthdays. Now, Jen, could you get me in the best light? Is this my best side? I think you need to redo it. From a 3, happy birthday!
Hi, Marianne. Happy birthday. I hope you have a super fun day today. And what a cool thing to know that we share a birthday.
Hi, Marianne. Happy birthday. I hope you have a day filled with enjoyment. I'm on my front porch. Mint, that's my mint plant. Happy birthday.
I'm just relaxing here on the hammock under the trees. You know how us 7 and 8s do, just chilling out all the time, so low impact. Anyway, I hope for your birthday that you enjoy one more tranquil, not fraught day. Happy birthday. You can get out of the tree!
Happy birthday, Marianne, from your friend, Owan.
And from a fellow 7.
Happy birthday and have a great day.
Marianne, happy birthday, and may it be filled with all the joys that a 7 can imagine and celebrate. Period. Blessings to you from George Gordon, and blessings, and I'm sure you are a blessing to George Benner. We celebrate with you.
Hey Marianne, just sending you happy birthday wishes. Have a great day.
Happy birthday, Marianne. Hope you get to relax like Effie today.
Hey Marianne, it's our family tradition that we always call everybody and we sing happy birthday to members of our family. So I feel like you're part of my family now. So here's your song. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Marianne. Happy birthday to you. And many more. My grandma always added that part in at the end. So love you. I hope you have a great birthday. Bye.
Marianne, wishing you a wonderful birthday year.